15 knots. Sunny. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Sunday, north winds 5 to 10 knots, backing northwest 10 to 15 knots. Sunny. Waves around 1 foot. Thanks for listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station WWF 34 Swingwell, transmitting on a highs in the upper 70s. South wind 5 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 26.
Oh, of course it goes right then. Well, that was not good, because KX94 is about to test.
In Grand Rapids, the signal you just heard was our weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio Alarming System. We normally conduct the test on Wednesdays around 11:15 in the morning. However, if there's a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, we'll postpone the test until the next available good weather day. Be advised that weather conditions will affect the signal quality of the broadcast. We'll activate the warning alarm tone for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties. On 162.4 megahertz from Onondaga. Those counties are Branch, Calhoun, Clinton, Eaton, Gratiot, Hillsdale, Ingham, Jackson, Livingston, and Shiawassee. On 162.425 from West Island, those counties are Allegan, Muskegon, and Ottawa. On 162.475 from Hesperia, those counties are Muskegon, Newaygo, and Oceana. On 162.525 megahertz from Mount Pleasant, those counties are Clare, Gratiot, Isabella, Mecosta, Midland, Montcalm, and Osceola. On 162.55 from Cannonsburg, those counties are Allegan, Barrie, Ionia, Kent, Montcalm, Muskegon, Newaygo, Oceana, and Ottawa. From 162.475 from Plainwell, those counties are Allegan, Barrie, Van Buren, Kalamazoo, and Calhoun. On 162.425 megahertz from Wolf Lake, those counties are Manistee, Wexford, Mason, Lake, Osceola, Oceana, Newaygo, and Mecosta. This concludes the test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning alarm device.
That works.
Around the area of 11 a.m.
Well, to say the least, they were like really late. But now I gotta catch the other test. So, yeah.
Southwest Michigan and northwest Ohio for today and tonight. There is a chance for thunderstorms this afternoon.
There it goes.
This is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning alarm. During periods of potentially severe weather, special receivers are activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests for these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you're using a good quality receiver in perfect working condition. The tone alert will be activated for selected watches and warnings affecting the following counties. In Indiana, Porter, LaPorte, St. Joseph, Elkhart, LaGrange, DuBois, Stark, Marshall, Kosciuszko, Noble, DeKalb, Whitley, Hamlet, Miami, Wabash, Huntington, Wells, Adams, Grant, Blackford, Pulaski, and Jay. In Ohio, Williams, Fulton, Defiance, Henry, Paulding, and Van Wert. And in Michigan, Berrien, Cass, St. Joseph, Branch, Hillsdale. For more information, go to our webpage at weather.gov/IWX and click on NOAA Weather Radio under Full Information. We will now return to normal programming.
here is the forecast.
Alright.
Today, mostly cloudy. Isolated showers in the morning, then scattered showers and chance of thunderstorms in...
There we go.